Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2013 Kia Sorento, stock number 5940. This ran from the 10th 2012 to 05 2015. Has a D4 HP 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the D4 HP 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front 19-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Left front guard, no dents. Left front mirror. Left rear door, a few dents, good private. Left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear factory 19-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right rear door, 4 dents. Right front headlight. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 19-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door, 1 dent. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat nav stereo. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Courtesy light. Interior mirror. Factory 3-spoke steering wheel. Instrument cluster.